Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Explore with Suchita. Today I am going to share you simple, easy, healthy breakfast recipe that is restaurant style soft idli along with that coconut chutney. Watch complete video without skipping for detailed recipe. Before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get latest updates of all my videos. Please like my videos and share it with your friends. For preparing idli, today I am taking idli rice. I have taken here 1 cup of idli rice. Even we call it a Salem rice also. I am transferring it to one bowl. And here I am taking urad dal, around 1/4 cup of urad dal. And here I have taken half cup of thick poha. See, this is thick poha. Once again I will show you the measurement. 1 cup of idli rice or Salem rice, it will be like this. And then 1/4 cup of urad dal and half cup of thick poha. It's afternoon. We need to wash this very well, and after washing I will soak it in water, and evening I will show you how to prepare the idli batter. And it's evening. Now for mixer jar I am transferring the soaked urad dal. Don't use the water which is used for soaking urad dal. Use separate water for grinding. Along with that I am adding soaked thick poha. By adding little water, I will make a fine paste. After grinding urad dal and thick poha, it looks like this. Now for this I am adding soaked idli rice or Salem rice. Now I will add little water and I will make fine paste. After grinding, it looks like this. I will transfer it to separate bowl. Now I am transferring it to separate bowl. Now you can see idli batter. I will be not using any soda salt at this time. And the batter fermentation I am not showing it today. I have showed it in many of my previous videos. If you want, you can check it in my channel. And as it is warm weather, we can close one plate and we can allow it to ferment. And tomorrow morning I will show you how the fermented idli batter looks like. Now it's morning. I am going to show the idli batter. You can see it's fermented. I am going to mix it well. You can see the bubbles also. Because of fermentation, bubbles are formed. And you can see the consistency also. Now I am going to add salt for taste. After adding salt, again mix it well. Now idli batter is ready. Now I have taken here idli plates. For that I am greasing it with oil. Now once the idli plates are greased, I am going to transfer the prepared idli batter onto idli plates. No need to completely fill the idli plates because after steam cooking the quantity will rise. Now you can see I have arranged all the idli plates like this. Here I have taken water. Water is also boiling. Now I will place the prepared idli stand inside this and I will steam cook it for around 10 to 15 minutes. After that I will show you. Now you can see idlis are steam cooked. If you touch like this, it should not stick to your hands or fingers so that it is cooked. Now I am taking it out. After removing the idli stand, we need to allow it to cool for around 5 minutes. For preparing chutney, I have taken here 2 green chilies. I am adding few drops of oil and we need to fry this. And then I am adding few curry leaves. Now you can see if it is fried this much, it's enough. Now I am going to switch off the stove. Now I have taken a mixer jar. For that I am adding freshly grated coconut. Based on the quantity of how much chutney you are preparing, you can use coconut and green chilies. And now I will be transferring the roasted green chilies and curry leaf. Now I am adding fried grams. Now I am adding, see, very small piece of ginger just for taste. And add salt as per taste. And just 1 pinch of sugar, this is also for taste. Now once I will grind this. By adding little water, once I will grind this. Now you can see once it is grinded like this, I will be adding coriander and then fresh lime juice. Now once again I will add little water and I will grind it. Now you can see coconut chutney is ready. Now I am preparing tadka for chutney. For that I have taken a 1 pan and for that I have added little oil. I am adding little mustard, little urad dal, we need to allow it to pop. Once it starts popping, it's ready. We can switch off the stove. Now I switch off the stove. Now I am going to remove the idlis. Take 1 spoon and you can remove it very easily like this. And it won't stick to plate also. you can see it's very soft. I will show you. I will cut it and I will show you. See, like this it will break easily, and you can see the porous texture also. If the batter is fermented, it looks like this. Now you can see healthy, easy breakfast recipe, restaurant style soft idli along with that coconut chutney is ready. Hope so you enjoyed my video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get latest updates of all my videos. Please like my videos and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.